Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me share something exciting with you today. If you've been searching for a way to make money online without spending hours creating a product from scratch, this might just be what you need. I came across something called the Puzzle Books for Kids PLR Pack, and honestly, I was blown away by what it offers. Let me break it all down for you. Did you know that over 250 million kids' books were sold just last year? That's a staggering number, and it's no surprise that the demand for kids' books keeps growing. Among the most popular are puzzle books. Parents love these because they're fun, educational, and keep kids entertained for hours. Platforms like Amazon and Etsy are packed with them, and they sell like hotcakes. The problem is, creating puzzle books isn't exactly a walk in the park. If you've ever tried outsourcing, you know it can cost upwards of $150 just to create a simple 10-page book. That's not even factoring in the time and effort it takes to manage everything. That's why the Puzzle Books for Kids PLR Pack caught my attention. With this package, you get 40 pre-made puzzle books for kids that are fully editable and come with unrestricted PLR rights. Unrestricted PLR means you can sell these books as your own, give them away as bonuses, or even package them as part of another product. You get to keep every dollar you make from them. It's like having a ready-to-go product line, and you didn't even have to lift a finger to create it. What's even better is the extras they're throwing in. You get 100 puzzles, 100 mazes, and 100 activities for kids. These additional assets give you the flexibility to customize or create entirely new puzzle books if you want. And if you're thinking, I don't know how to edit or sell books, don't worry. They've got you covered with bonus training that walks you through everything. Speaking of bonuses, there's more. They're including one-on-one support, a list of places where you can sell these books, and even a done-for-you sales page template. That's a huge help if you're just starting out and need guidance to hit the ground running. With all these resources, you're not just buying books, you're investing in a business opportunity. The best part? There's no risk involved. They offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you try it and feel it's not for you, you can get your money back. Honestly, deals like this don't come around often. It's rare to find a package that offers so much value right out of the box. If this sounds like something you'd benefit from, I highly recommend checking it out. It's a smart, affordable way to jump into the lucrative world of kids' books without the hassle of creating products from scratch. That's all from me today. If you enjoyed this review or have any questions, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.